Morning students. Last class IT rank method. In this rank method we got three cases. Already I taught case 1 and case 3. Now I'm going to take case 2. Now let us give some example. The given equations are, from these equations we got to write matrix equation. In this matrix equation this is A x b. After writing matrix equations we got to write augmented matrix. Augmented means we got to combine and write A and B. Okay, after writing this we got to by Gauss elimination method. By, you have to write by Gauss elimination method. Okay, in this Gauss elimination method, what is that one? First step, comparing first column. In this first column element, come to first element's smallest number. Is it or not? You can use the same number also, no problem. But it's small number means it is easy to convert it 0 of these two elements. Okay, that's why I'm going to change smallest number here. Now, which is the smallest number? 1. So, shall I change this two rows? R1 transform to R2. After changing, these two elements converted to 0. Shall I multiply by 3 here? If 3 means it will come 3 and then subtract it will come 0. Similarly here 7 you are going to multiply by 7 and then minus will come 0. Using rough column, multiply by 3 in the first row you will get this answer. Multiply by 7 in the first row you will get this answer. First row no need to change anything. We got to write this is second row and this is third row. After writing children, so second row first element, third row for first element is 0. What is the next concept? The next concept is triangle shapes will convert to 0. So we want to convert 0 of this element. Okay, so how to do here? 20, here 10. So I want 20 here. So shall I multiply by 2? If it is multiply by 2 and then subtract, it will come 0 this. Is it clear? See here, R3, 2 times of R2. This is not R1, this is R2. After finish, then it form a triangle shape 0. Is it clear? Any doubt this? What it is? First one is a given equation. After finish this given equations, converted to matrix and then augmented matrix. After writing augmented matrix and then Gauss elimination method. And then it is the equivalent form. Okay, after equivalent form, children, the case number 1 let 3 is there, no, but in this case having rank is, see here rank is 1 2. This is A. Is it clear? This is A. What is rank of A value? This is A and this is B. A value is 1 2. This is close it. A value is, then come the close point will come A, rank of A value is 2. Then take out this rank of A comma B value is 2. Up 2 comma 2 means what is this? Consistent infinitely many solution. Suppose 3 means consistent unique solution. Infinity, now what is the meaning? I'll give you, I'll tell you. 2 means you take two equations, compare, take from this last equivalent form method. So equation xy is it, x is 0, y is it, there is no value here. Okay, so next if you finish, take and write that question. After writing this question, here is a 2 equation but 3 variables. So we got to consider z equal to k. K belongs to R. So R means real numbers. We can take any numbers. So many numbers we got to substitute here. That's only I'm telling you infinitely many solution. Is it clear? Okay, now after finding y, substitute k and z and y in equation number 1. That is your x, y, z answer. See this, how many here the solution set we got to use only parameter solution. One parameter, that is k. K is only one pair of solution, one parameter family of solution. Therefore the given system is consistent infinitely many solution which has how many parameter? One parameter of solution. This is when row rank of augmented matrix, rank of A equal to 2 means one parameter. Suppose 1 means, I'll give one more example. Same case but case is 1 same equation converted to matrix, augmented matrix. After augmented matrix you can apply by row elementary transformation. you know how it is already. First row is the smallest number, then you can multiply by 2 and then 3 here. It will convert it to 0 in the second row and third row first element. After converting, so here also third row also it will come very easy. Here third row triangle shapes also 0 it will come. The step is over. See here children, is there any possibilities converted to any element or any row is 0? No. Now come, what is row of a, rank of a comma b? Only one row is non-zero, the remaining two rows are 0, full elements are 0. So we have one, the rank is a comma b is 1. Then close this. If it is closed, it will come A matrix only. What is the rank of A? 1. See here 1 1 means same condition, consistent, infinitely many solution. From this equation we have to write the equation. From this matrix length we have to write the equation. You got one equation but 3 variables, so we got to consider two letters equal to some arbitrary constant, y equal to s or z equal to t. These two letters is take from real numbers. Real numbers means we got to take from -1, -2, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. It's going on. So many values you can eligible to substitute. Then only got telling infinitely many solution. After substitute it will come x value. What is x, y, z value? -9 is minus t plus s minus t comma s comma t, where s and t is belonging to real numbers. So here is how many arbitrary? 2 arbitrary, that is a 2 parameter. Here is a 1 parameter. Therefore the given system is consistent in many solutions. Which one parameter? Here how many parameter? Here is it 2 parameter. The given system is consistent in infinitely many solution. How many parameter? See here 2 parameter.